Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install resource packs on Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to any browser that you would like, and then from here just search for any texture packs or the specific one that you would like to download for yourself. Then once you find something that you like or something good, just simply click on it. Once you click on right here, you can see videos of it and about it, and then instructions around how it will look and how you can download it. But all you need to do is to just download the one for your version. So once you scroll down, you can see here Java Edition, and you can download the one that matches your version. So check your Minecraft version right here. My version right here is 26.1.2. So that will make sure that you are downloading the same one. So 26.1 and then .x, doesn't matter. Then from here, just download it anywhere. So maybe on your desktop. Once you have the download done, go back to Minecraft and then launch the Minecraft Java Edition. Once you launch Minecraft, click on Options. In the Options, click on Resource Packs. And then from here, you're going to Open Pack Folder. Once you click on Open Pack Folder, it's going to show you this folder right here. So all you have to do is to go back to your desktop or wherever you downloaded the other file. So for me, it's right here. And I'm just going to simply drag it right now. And I'm simply going to drag it to this folder. Once you move it right here, then when you go back to the game, you can see it available right here and it's going to be enabled. So just click on it. Once you click on it, click on done. Then the game is going to reload and then you should have it installed successfully. So to show you, I'm just going to join any game. And once I'm in the game and it loads, it's going to load the shader fully that you have just installed. And there you go, as you can see, it have changed. So if I'm going to change from this one to the original, then the game indeed looks different. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.